Good afternoon. Welcome everybody. Today in our Congress we had an interesting question. How can improve the security in Barranquilla? The insecurity is a big problem that affects our city. There are many things that you can be implemented to improve the security of our city. One, we must have a plan, a budget. The security plan doesn't have to be complicated and should be, but it must be executable. Two, the city should have more camera on the street where there is less crime in the city and in reduction in civil disobedience. 3. The camera might provide more evidence when offenders are caught. 4. We must have more police on the street to give citizens a sense of security and keeping criminals at bay. 5. People must not use a weapon in the city. If people use a weapon without permission that receives penalty. These are 5 things you can be implementing to improve the security of your city. If you want a more secure and safe city, might you bring a plan, a budget to improve the security in the city? Give me your opinion. Thank you for your attention.